Hi, I'm Dr. Patrick. I'm working as missionary since last 10 years in sub-Saharan African region. But by nationality, I'm a Pakistani Christian. Therefore, today, I'm going to talk about the excruciating facts of declension of Christian faith in Pakistani society. Well, this video is exclusively made for all the international missionary organizations who are appointing unlettered pastors in Pakistan specifically. You know the fact that when we start a company, we will appoint the best managers, the best employees for the growth of the company and to get the best results. But unfortunately, it seems like we forget this all in case of appointing the pastors. Most of the pastors in Pakistan, they are not right people for the right jobs. And I don't know the people who appoint them as their representatives, how they used to vet their qualification and experience. I don't understand at all. The person who has either very small qualification or no qualification at all about Bible, arts and culture, science and technology, and other fields of education, how we can expect from him to be a good preacher. Trust me, I cannot understand this fact. Most of the pastors who are also the big names in Pakistan, if you will appoint a third party to vet their qualification and what they say and what they speak in their sermons, trust me, you will be laughing. Due to them, we can see the declension in Christian faith in Pakistani society. And the burden of this all will eventually, it will be on the shoulders of all the missionary organizations and the organizations who really have the heart to support the work of God and the spreading of gospel in Pakistani society. So my question here is that how can you believe that an illiterate person will be able to convey the accurate and the verifiable doctrine of your church or your organization? I don't understand this. So through this video, I want to just endure and I want to just request and crave your indulgence that please look into this matter and try to vet the qualification of your representative before appointing him, because I think that it is very vital now to appoint the qualified people, because most of the youngsters, they are changing their ways. They are changing their trends. They are no more interested to hear the word of God which is not interesting one. And these so-called pastors have no way to attract those people, because we have heard always knowledge is power. And with power, you can attract the people. So this is the time to hire the right people for the right job. I hope my message will reach to the right people, and in the future we will see a change. Thank you very much for hearing us.